Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello guys, I welcome to this lecture on Laplace transform, problem number 13. We have seen various numericals. Now let us see what is a particular variety offered by this problem. So let's go to that problem. Well, as you can see here, the heading is problem number 13 and there is something called as initial current through L. L means inductor. And so there can be some kind of initial current through this. And in this network, there are no particular parameter values. So switch K is moved from position 1 to position 2. So we'll write those positions. This is position 1, this is position 2. And it's particularly mentioned that a steady state is existing at position A before t equal to 0. So we have to find I of t by using Laplace transform. So for that, we will first write the circuit diagram. We'll draw the circuit diagram for time t equal to 0 minus. So at time t equal to 0 minus, let's see what is going to be our circuit. So of course, this switch is at position 1. So this part is not relevant. So this is the circuit. You can see there is resistance R. This was our original circuit. Resistance will be as it is because the switch is at position 1. Then this inductor will become short circuited because steady state is existing in position A. And this capacitor will not come. Well, the circuit is what I have drawn here. And if you want to get I of 0 minus now, it is very easy. So I can call it as I of 0 minus or IL of 0 minus because that is the current which is passing through this inductor which is now short circuited. And so this current is now voltage upon resistance. So it is going to be V divided by R. So we have got the initial current. Now as our normal practice, we'll write the equation for t greater than 0 and we will apply KVL. So for that, the circuit that should be considered will be this because switch will be at position 2. So we'll draw only this right side part. We'll not draw this voltage source and resistance. So capacitor and inductor only will come. So this is the required circuit. Switch is at position 2. There is capacitor, there is inductor. So when you want to write the KVL, it's very easy in this case. So it's going to be minus L for t greater than 0, and as there is no initial condition for capacitor, I can write it for 0 to t because there are only two elements, one is inductor and one is capacitor. And now we'll remove the negative sign and we'll apply the Laplace transform. So by Laplace transform, what we get is this will be L into S into I of S. Well, now I have to subtract because you have to subtract the initial condition, and that is nothing but V by R. So this is the factor which we got from this equation because di by dt, Laplace transform of di by dt is S into I of S minus I of 0 minus. This is what we know from the formula and or from the property, and that property is this one, time differentiation property, d by dt of f of t, and instead of f of t we have I of t. So it is going to be S into I of S minus I of 0 minus, and our I of 0 minus is V by R, which is reflecting here. So it's going to be 1 upon Cs, and that all is equal to 0. Now we will simply take I of S terms on one side. So I will rearrange the equation. So this is the equation that I get. And so I of S is going to be Now we should make coefficient of this s square equal to 1 so that we can apply Laplace transform. So I am going to take this LC common. And now as you can see, this LC and LC gets cancelled. So what we are getting is V divided by R, S divided by S square, plus I can write this as, the reason I am writing is we have one formula which has S in numerator, and this is the formula S upon S square plus omega square. So you need a square term here that reflects in cos of omega t. Here there is S, and if I want square term, I will write this as 1 upon root of LC. So this is now 1 S upon S square plus omega square. So now if I apply inverse Laplace transform, we should get the answer. On left hand side, I will get I of t, and on right side, I will get, this is the S in numerator, so cos of omega t. So cos of t into 1 upon root of LC. And that completes our required answer. So this is all about the same problem. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to Ekeeda. Thank you.